Sean with the Tool Shop again, going further with our P4 on the new tools here. So we're going to talk about the second P, which is pace. Now, the reason that we do P4s here in the warehouse is more so to improve on processes, continuous improvement, more efficient, cost effective. So we have to interpret this a little bit differently than in the actual construction site purpose. So we can't go off a tack or a time, segments. So basically, what we do instead is that we have definable deliverables, and I have 4 of those, which are made up of milestones. And the first one is having the tool purchased is the first milestone. So the process leading up to that, we can put it at a 6-minute for the first milestone. The second one is going to be the tool actually arriving here onto site. Again, a gap of that, we'll say at about 5 minutes, not including the actual delivery time of from the vendor to us. Now, the third milestone is going to be the tool is now in the system, and that right there, about a 16-minute period to get to that point of just straight process. And then our fourth is going to be tool is integrated and ready for deployment. Again, just a couple minutes there. But if we look at the total process, without, as I mentioned before, the delay in getting the data inputted, if we look at just straight process, it's from start to complete 30 minutes with no defects. If we do, we're talking a day and 30 minutes up to a week, a month. Again, that's just dependent on the replacement tool getting into our hands again. So with this pace, we now have we've got our definables here, and next we can go into our P3, which is going to be prepare, and we'll talk about that in the next video.